Hey, my little finger is bad over here, so it's kind of like a dome override. No dome light works on the passenger side. I only changed this multiple times. I forget how I pick it out. Did I do it from this side and work around, or did I do it from the inside? This dash is broken anyway now, so I need a new dash cell. Which they do make scrapyard dirt, which is gross. I'm gonna have to go lay on that. But the switch is coming a pack of 5. I did have a pack of 5 somewhere. Everything on mine just gets shifted around, so I really don't know. So the dealer, some parts dealer, gave me the OEM switch in a baggie from Virginia, cheapest price I could find. So we'll throw on that one. It was like $11 or something. Don't pay more than like $11-12 for them, but you gotta get it out. It has little wingies on it. See it in the package. You got little push wings, and it goes in from this way and locks in. So to get it out, reverse. There is a small connector though. You gotta kind of feel up. Luckily, it's good when these don't work because you burn your hand on those bulbs. Got plenty of scars like that. So it's up here. If you can see it, it's all the way up there. Where you go around the parking brake, actually. And it's up here somewhere. You need a light, but it's tricky. Anyway, I'm gonna try to unplug it. They go bad so commonly, though. I placed it like 3 times in this truck's history in 30 years. I'm just trying to show you. I popped it out with my fingers. You just grab it, but you gotta get the connector off. That's a tricky thing because it has one of those pry jobbers. So that's our next thing. It's tricky to do, but once you do them for a while, I've done them. It's not terribly hard. Just reach up over there, you'll feel it, and follow the wire, and you can just pop it. Oh, I worked it back in. You gotta double do it. You gotta get the wings, and you get the wings, and then it comes out. Same thing, 94. And then you can work with the connector. I put a light in there, you see it. Once you get it out, then you can get to your connector, and then it's super easy to remove then. Alright, this is the release tab clippy do, and as you see, leave your wire out, it's easier that way. And then you just get this one, same part number, compare it, goes back in. Did I change it any? Not sure. Goes back in, and then your light should work. Yeah, you can test plug it if you want. Yeah, I've changed these so many times. Oh, look, it works again! Wow, look, it works again! Ha ha! Alright, fixed. I only changed it about 3 times. Very simple. Costs like $11 or less. I'm gonna take this one apart, see what goes bad inside of them. Usually I just throw them away, but now I'm a hoarder now. And we'll see what happened to it. They just, over time, too much trash picking. Door open, close, open, close, open, close. And then you just push it back in. Make sure you're seated and your wire's nice. These things kind of get twisted up a little bit, so I kind of untwist it sometimes. And then, see, this is weird. You kind of got to give it a push, but it'll go through, and then it locks, and then, perfect, whee, whee. Now I can see at night again. Now I can get my streamlight out of here, and all set, fixed. Not a bad deal. Fix your vehicle yourself. Clean your floor mats. This thing's getting trashed from the scrap iron yard, but you gotta make money. And we'll see what's up with this one. We'll take it apart. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll list the part number in the back. It ends in 94. Well, it's a different number now. 94 like the truck. That's a different number, but I'll link it in the description. I'll link the standard one too if you want that one. It's more common to buy at the parts store than the OEM one. But yeah, they just go bad. Probably water gets on them and stuff. Always the driver's one goes. The passenger one's original. Again, I changed it like 3 times in 31 years. Still available. There's the part number, but we'll link it. So let's go take this one apart. Yeah, that's the 4 tabs on the top, and you can take it apart. What exactly goes wrong with it? There's the cap. Maybe the dirty contacts? Maybe we can rebuild it. Maybe. I don't see anything else wrong except for dirty contacts. Should Try to fix it. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, that this slides on here and it makes contact. And it goes in and goes past it and off the track. Could be just dirty. We'll see. Maybe it's fixable.